I'm not sure what's up with this, but no matter what angle, I mean, it's starting to just pick up the engine or the whole car, but it still hits that oil filter housing. So I don't know how someone got this in. So I'm gonna get out the angle grinder and cut that bolt off, I think. Okay, we chopped it off. Be able to take that all the way out. Half the motor mount fell out. There's the cutoff bolt. I'm wondering if they did it like this from the factory because there was too much stick out on the other end. See, there's missing the rubber. Here's our replacement. Looks pretty much spot on. Now I'm wondering if they did this because there's going to be too much stick out, and then that, you know, the stick out of the bolt would hit the I'm taking this bolt off here, and if that would hit the oil filter. But you know, from the factory, why wouldn't you just use a bolt that's the right size? That seems to make the most sense to me. I'm gonna feel underneath to see if it went in that slot, which it did. So, this is gonna be, oh, you know what? I can just pull this over by hand. I thought I was gonna have trouble lining up my new bolt. New grade 8 bolt. Just got it from my bolt bin, but I think I should be able to pull this by hand, but I'll have to turn the camera off. Side is pretty much all wrapped up. I left everything hand tight until I get the driver's side in, then I'll crank everything down once everything's lined up. Driver's side is out. It didn't fight me near as much, so I'm sure it'll fight me on the, you know, the way in. Oh, motor, it needs to go way up on this side. And my jack, it keeps falling down. It's a real piece of work. Tell me when it's up enough. Okay, I feel the stud poking through on the underside, so that's good. Oh. Alright, let's get this one started. It's not enough yet. There we go. I can get that started, and then we can go in with, some alignment issues. It's really the driver's side that really needs to come up. So I was able to, there must just be enough tension on this that I was able to really rock the engine over with just my knuckle. But I think our good luck ran out. Because we're not. It'd be really nice if we had 2 people. Bet these sounds are awesome to listen to. Man, not enjoyable. Oh, okay. Alright, there's that. So, just gotta make sure we drop it down correctly. See if it falls into place. Did it drop into place? Oh, don't think so. Ooh, it's close. I'm feeling on the bottom side where it needs to go. Darn, so the motor mount needs to come a little. A little bit that way. Yeah, that might do it. Okay, it lined up on the bottom when I dropped it down after hitting it a couple times with this long stick, a cheater bar. So I'll go thread the nut on the bottom side, put this one on the motor mount, and we can crank everything down. We're all done here. Let's see. I'll show you the underside just so you can get an idea of the fun we're dealing with. All right. See it poking through all the way up there? That right there is where the bottom's gonna go, and that's a 15 millimeter, and it's 18 for the ones on the side. Okay, that will do it for the motor mounts and the steering wheel on this one, and we'll just keep moving along with the rest of the project. In some of the future videos, I'm putting in an E-fan and a fan clutch guard. I won't show that on camera, but we'll get into the body work. I'm gonna straighten out this fender, sand down the rest of the car, get it ready for paint. We got another cool color coming, so if you guys want to see, keep watching, like the stuff, comment, subscribe. It really helps me, make more videos when there's more engagement. So keep it coming. Thank you guys, and see you next time.